Thank you, Evision. I had enrolled recently completed my online job internship at Evision. Then I got placed Ahana Systems and Solutions with salary offer 2.9 LPA. And I must say they have an excellent trainers app for teaching and also very good support team. I am happy that I have made the right choice in choosing Evision. Anytime I need help, they are always to their support. The live assignment and projects provided in online training of awesome feature really gave an hands-on experience in power internship. Myself, Abhijeet Panwar, native place Haryana. I have completed my B.tech in mechanical in Lingaya's Vidyapeeth in 2018. One of the best online institute that enhanced my skills and development interest in IT field. All the live faculties, members and supporting staff are truly helpful in all manner. Placement team and all the members were true enough to put all their efforts in order to bring all the positive and necessary changes. Once again, Evision and their team.